Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Shopify domain error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to this webpage. Here, click on the settings embed at bottom left of your screen and then locate domain. Here, all of your available domains will be displayed. In order to fix the error, check if there was any app installed on your SC-Tor recently. If there was, simply uninstall it as it might be the root cause. In order to uninstall an app, go to the Apps section, click on the Uninstall button, and then confirm the action. If this doesn't fix the error, you can try clearing cache of your internet browser. For that, click on the three dots icon at top right corner of your screen and select Settings. Here, click on Privacy and Security in the left side menu and access Clear Browsing Data. Inside it, select Everything and then clear it. After clearing it, close your browser and then log into your Shopify account again. So that's basically how you can fix Shopify domain error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.